Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have this black wig with blonde highlights. This review today is brought to you by NadulaHair. Now, I've worked with NadulaHair several times over the last few years, and they are currently in the middle of celebrating their 7th anniversary of their company. Their celebration is going to be going on from April 1st through April 13th. And if you don't know, NadulaHair is a more affordable human hair company, and they have a variety of styles for you guys. So we're going to get into this review, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this look together. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. All right, so I'm going to quickly read the specs for you guys. So this is the NadulaHair Bye Bye Knots 2.0 Nadula 3D body wave wig. And they have it in the 7x5 closure or the 13x4. I believe I have the 13x4, and this is a black wig with blonde highlights. And I requested this wig specifically because of the highlights. I tried a synthetic wig that had blonde highlights in it, and I thought it was black with blonde highlights, and I wanted to try a human hair wig that has the same thing. And this is one of their put on and go wigs. So I'm excited because it already has curls in it, and I'm probably just going to have to reestablish the curls a little bit because it's been in the, you know, the box and everything with shipping. The lace is pre-cut. The knots, I can see the knots on it, so it doesn't look like the knots are bleached. Something new that I have not tried, but I have seen it out there. It does come with tape on the tabs here. So I'm probably going to wear this glueless and just use the tape on like the tab area. And it comes with backup tape as well, so you could use it everywhere essentially if you want to do that. It has a comb in the back and adjustable straps and a removable adjustable elastic band as well. And let's see what it looks like on me. I think I have 24 inches, but I'll have the specs and everything in the description box for you guys. So this is what it looks like fresh out the pack. I like that it has the curls in it. So I won't have to do as much work, but I still have to do some work to it. The hairline to me is thick, so I'm probably going to bring it down on my forehead and pluck it out a bit. So I think if you are a beginner and you don't want to do this, you don't necessarily have to, but if I want my wig to look as realistic as possible, so I'm going to tweeze out the hairline a little bit more, because as you can see, it does look kind of thick. I am going to section off just a little bit of the front and then tweeze a little bit behind it. So with taking this tape off, it feels like the whole piece of adhesive is coming off. So let me, okay. So it's a little bit of like some lace sticking up here. You could use glue, but I'm just gonna cut that off. Make sure I don't cut my own so we are finished styling this wig. And I gotta say, like, this is exciting to me because this color is so different. And I honestly prefer black wigs, but this is a black wig that has a little bit of spice to it. I think the blonde highlights, the contrast of the blonde highlights with the black wig is just so pretty. It looks edgy to me. It looks like, it just looks just edgy to me. I like it a lot. So as far as pros and cons with this wig, I'm just gonna mention maybe 2 cons, but the rest are pros. So I do feel like, even though the chunky highlights are a trend, I do feel like it could have still been like blended more smoothly, like with the highlights in the back. I'm cool with the chunky highlights in the front, but like I would have preferred it to be a little bit more blended with the chunky highlights in the back. And another con would be the hairline. So they went ahead and cut the lace off for us and everything, but the hairline was too thick in my opinion, and I feel like they could have went in and tweezed the hairline more for us to make it even more convenient to wear. And the knots weren't bleached either, but this is a more affordable company, so I'm not surprised that they didn't bleach the knots for you. But even with the knots not being bleached, I still think this wig turned out really pretty. So with the pros, I love this color blend as far as like the highlights. Even though I said I do feel like the highlight in the back could have been blended out a little bit more, I still love the contrast of the strong blonde highlight with the black hair. I like that it came pre-curled, so that means that I didn't have to do a whole bunch of styling with this wig. I was prepared to, but it came pre-styled. I just threw a couple of curls in it and added some hairspray just so they would hold up a little better. And I just think this is an easy wig. So I did a sunlight test for you guys, and I did put some of my contour on my lace, and I feel like my lace was a little bit dark once you go outside, but like on camera it looks fine. And I am wearing this glueless, so this is a pro. So as you can see, this is a glueless install here. So we're making it easy on ourselves here. But me personally, when I go out, I'm not gonna do a glueless install just because I just prefer to have my wigs melted. I don't want any lace or anything sticking up. And I could have done the foam method of installing, which is still glueless, but I don't have any foam right now. So I'm wearing this 100% glueless. There's nothing on here at all, but this still looks very pretty. Looks very pretty. And I'm feeling myself with this. So I like this a lot. So as far as the tape here, I personally like it's staying put over here, but I would prefer not to use any tape. But it seems like it's easier to like take off than it is like glue. But the thing about this, I just prefer not to use any tape. But it does have a nice, pretty secure hold for the tabs, and I'm wearing it as a middle part, so you don't even really have to worry about the sides like that. But the option is there if you want to use the tape, but I personally don't, especially if I'm not going to be wearing this particular one all day. But even if I was, I probably wouldn't use tape. I would just use bobby pins, especially as a middle part, when I can just use the little wings right here to cover it up. And it's on my hair, so I don't like that. So I would just not even use the tape personally, but I wanted to try it out and see. But it's another option to keep your tabs on your wig laying flat, but it's just easier for me to just use even adhesive spray, blow dry it, use my melt band, and then it'll stay put. I feel like this can be a little bit dangerous because you don't want to accidentally pull out some of your edges and, you know, damage your edges there. So I like right now it's kind of pulling at my edges, and I don't want that. So I will probably remove this tape for safety reasons, because I don't want anything damaging my natural edges, even this beautiful wig. So I'm gonna take that tape off personally. That's a con too. I just don't think the tape is necessary, but it's a good option for somebody, just not me. If you don't, like if you didn't have edges, or you like suffer from alopecia, this will be good because this will create like a smooth install. But I don't know how safe that is for people who are trying to protect their edges. But the wig itself is very pretty. and it's affordable. The starting price on this wig with the 13x4 at 16 inches is $189.38. And then it goes up to 24 inches. I think I have 24 inches if I'm not mistaken, and it's $300. But they are having their anniversary sale currently right now. So they do have some different coupon codes and everything that I will list in the description box for you guys. So if you love this wig, take advantage of their anniversary sale that's going on right now. Yeah, so I feel like I look very pretty, and I love the highlights in it. It just brings so much more interest to the wig. And I feel like this is a wig I'm going to be reaching for. And they do have it as a 7x5. Me personally, I probably would go for the 7x5. It's cheaper if you go with the 7x5. And if you like to wear your hair like in the middle part a lot, you don't even see the edges. So 7x5, save you some coins and do that. That's what I would do. But this is very pretty. Yeah, so if you're interested in this wig, you can head over to NadulaHair. Take advantage of their anniversary sale that's going on right now. I have all the information and the specs on this wig in the description box for you guys. Shout out to NadulaHair for sponsoring today's video. Happy anniversary to them. And shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.